Hello kids, welcome back to EVS class. Children, let's learn about farm animals today. But before that, tell me, do you know what a farm is? A farm is a place where a farmer grows crops and keeps animals. Okay? We grow crops in the farm and we keep animals in the farm so that we get food to eat and we get some work done by the animals also. Okay? So let's learn about the farm animals. Repeat their name after me and listen carefully. It's a hen. Hen starts with the letter H and it gives us egg and meat. It's a duck. Duck starts with the letter D and a duck gives us egg and meat. It's a horse. Horse starts with the letter H and horse takes us from one place to another place. It's a cow. Cow starts with the letter C and a cow gives us milk. It's a goat. Goat starts with the letter G and a goat gives us milk and meat. It's a pig. Pig starts with the letter P and a pig gives us meat. It's a donkey. Donkey starts with the letter D. And what does a donkey give us? Don't know. Donkey carries our loads. Okay? Here is sheep. Sheep starts with the letter S and a sheep gives us wool so that we can get woolen clothes and we wear woolen clothes in winters. Let's revise once again the name of the farm animals. Repeat their name after me. Hen, duck, horse, cow, goat, pig, donkey, sheep. Well done, children. Now you know the name of your farm animals. So keep practicing, keep revising until you master it. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.